The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Welcome to this edition of Book of the Week. This week is a fan fucking favorite. If you do not know what Goosebumps is, imagine Tales from the Crypt, imagine Are You Afraid of the Dark, imagine Stephen King for kids. Besides this, the Bailey School Kids Animorphs, or even the lesser known Chixabuzz. Like, there was a bunch of books that came out of the Scholastic Book Fair. You could even find like Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. Like, those are another great one that we will be covering at some point. These were the books that made kids like myself who loved to read and look at covers. Like, I'm more of a cover guy than I am a interior artist. And every single book was exciting to read. You know, you'd have your pizza parties, you'd have your ice cream parties. There was always a way to get incentive to kids to read back in the day. And for me, it was the covers. Like, I mean, I'm a fat guy, but goddamn, I didn't give a shit about pizza. I don't even like pizza. I saw a fat hamster or a scary scarecrow. I'm like, let's go, baby. And I loved these books. Every single thing about them was just captivating. The artwork was super cool. You know, it had a very unique style to it that mimicked like airbrush and acrylic, but the colors were vivid. I think that's why later in years it really translated to like Guillermo del Toro's work. Is things had a very pop art, Basil Gogo vibe to their approach and how we saw horror working in a children's mind, and the artwork kind of just coming to life on its own. The first editions of Goosebumps books had their logo, which was embossed. Finding the first edition was like gold back then. Even now, if you're trying to look for a first edition, feel the cover. If it is embossed on the logo, then it is a first edition outside of the printing on the inside. If it is not, it is a reprint. These books were worth more than gold to a lot of people. And if you have an art collector, if you love a nostalgia gogglehead in your family, or if that's you, check out The Art of Goosebumps by Dynamite. This is an absolute must for somebody who wants to see quick, easy readable bits of how to get from sketch to page. Pick up yours now. Find out more, check out the Discord, podcast, and more on YouTube, and see what my friends are up to at BrushesofDoom.com.